Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I wanted to do a create my mood board with me video. I was actually inspired to do this by Truly Jamie. She also does YouTube, she does Instagram, she's awesome. If you guys haven't checked her out, you need to. I went out and I bought myself a whiteboard from Target. I have a bunch of old magazines that I'm gonna get together. I'm gonna start placing things on this board because I think it would be really helpful for drawing inspiration from my mood board to create videos and content for you guys. So that's what we're gonna do. If you're interested, then just keep watching. Alright you guys, so that's it for this video. I hope that you guys really enjoyed. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. For today's video, I wanted to do like a mood board, get a mood board together. Mood board. How should I call this? Hold on. Alright you guys, so that's it for this video. If you enjoyed this kind of video, then